Hello everyone. Have you wondered on how to bend, twist, and stretch your model using SOLIDWORKS all in one single command? Well, that's exactly what the Flex tool lets you to do. All you need is the Flex tool because it allows you to perform the operation like bending, twisting, tapering, and stretching also. In this video, we will explore how to bend, twist, stretch, and taper option in step by step, and you will see the result on how a single tool can completely transform design's process. So first, to use bend, go to the features, then click Flex. Then you will see what to do in Flex. So let us use bend, then click the model. There is a trampoline 1, trampoline 2, and the triad. Trampoline 1 and trampoline 2 is used to adjust what in the model can be bent. So if more trampoline 1 backward, the other side won't be bent. So let's say it is 90 degrees or 150 degrees. So that's it for bending. Now the second one is how to use twist. Same procedures, go to Flex, choose twist and click the model. In this model, we also have again the trampoline 1, trampoline 2 and the triad. But this time we don't use it for. Let's say its degree is 150 degree, then you can adjust it also, then click check and that's it. So for tapering, just go to Flex again, click tapering, then click the model. We have again trampoline 1 and 2 and the triad, same with bending and twisting. So if we increase the taper distance in positive direction, then you will observe the tapering at trampoline 1, but this time we decrease it in negative direction in trampoline 2. So that's it. Lastly, for stretching, click stretching and click the model. So adjust the inches of the model to stretch it. Let's say it is 15 inches. So that's it. Thank you for watching.